The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 29. Get yourself a patron. Patronage is an old idea that has found new meaning recently. In ancient times, artists would find a king or a rich merchant to back them. They would essentially become an employee. But they have freedom to create in their style, even if their creations were specifically for the patron's use or glory. The artist had a roof over their head and food on the table. Drawing and painting for the king was better than being a serf out in the fields. Finding and marrying an adoring rich partner is a classic way of being supported as an artist. Galleries are like patrons, but they need to sell your work, so be prepared to create in a style that the gallery likes or dictates. Today, you can find a following on the internet and ask them to support you to be your patron. There are many sites that will help you, like Patreon and Substack. Lots of small sales and donations can soon add up to enough to keep you going. Your followers and supporters will help you refine your practice and will advertise for you by the best method possible: word of mouth. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a plastic stacking chair? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.